everyone. Welcome to your 30-day full body reset. Let's glow up from the inside out. Skin, hair, mind, and health. Everything. Stress, pollution, poor sleep, and bad food take a toll on us. If you feel tired, dull, or low energy, this reset will help you bounce back. We've broken it into 4 weeks. First, detox your gut and skin. Then focus on your hair, mood, and finally, building sustainable habits. Start your mornings with lemon or Jira water. Eat clean, hydrate well, and pamper your skin with natural face masks. Let's give love to our scalp and hair. Oil twice a week, use gentle shampoos, eat nourishing foods, and do daily scalp massages. This week is about emotional reset. Journal daily, walk in nature, avoid doom scrolling, and create a calming night routine. Time to put it all together. Be consistent, track your progress, and build a sustainable routine that becomes your lifestyle. Here's a simple day plan. Hydrate, eat light and healthy, do your skincare, and wind down with a relaxing routine at night. Add amla, nuts, beetroot, bananas, and homemade lassi to your meals. Avoid sugar, maida, and colas. They slow down your glow. Don't overdo products, avoid harsh shampoos, and try not to use your phone late night. Keep your routine simple and mindful. Affordable options work well too. Kavi shampoos, multani methi, coconut oil. They're amazing and won't hurt your wallet. Yes, this plan fits 9-to-5 jobs. No gym needed, walks and home workouts are enough. And it's not expensive, just consistent. Remember, small steps lead to big change. You don't need to be perfect. Just show up for yourself daily. You got this. Start with day 1. Stay kind to yourself and share your journey in the comments. Let's glow together. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Join our #GlowReset30 fam and let's continue